face paint and I don't really feel good today. What's up, guys? I feel great today. And today I'll be showing you guys my only slime because my other slime video that I did, yeah, those slimes gone bad. They went bad and I can't touch them anymore because they're so slimy and disgusting. And like, I know slime is supposed to be like slimy and like, you know, but like it would stick to your fingers so much and it's really hard to get it off. And that's not what true slimes are do. So I have this whiteboard because I'm doing this on my bed. And I'm going to put my slime here. So I made this slime. I was going to video when I made this slime. But I didn't. I don't know why. I just didn't feel like it. I got something in it. Okay, there we go. Got it out. So here's what we've all been waiting for. This slime. It is purple. 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 It is purple, and I don't have a lot of it, but it's not that stretchy, but you kind of have to roll it. Okay. So here. Now that you guys know what it looks like, I'm going to play with it and show you guys. It's really good poking slime, so no, that doesn't work. No, that doesn't work. Ugh. I know this looks weird, but it's what you gotta do. And I posted another video today. I just look different because I took my skirt off. But yeah, go check that out. And make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And I am going to put a shout out to my big sister, AwesomeFrani. Her YouTube channel will be in the description down below, so make sure to check that out. So I did it like this, and now it's easier to stretch. Whoa. I'm going to make two things. I'm going to make a pretzel. And a pretzel is really easy. You guys may think that it's super complicated, but it's really not. I just gotta make it even. Want to see my pretzel? That's my pretzel. I hope you guys enjoy eating it and throwing up after. Don't eat slime. That is a big rule. Do not eat slime. Okay, so now I'm going to make a heart. Let's see. My grandma actually showed me how to make a cat with slime. So cool. I just don't remember. There! I love all my planet fans. That's what I call you guys. Like Rebecca Zamolo, she calls hers Zam Fam, and then our fire, they call them our fire fans, but I call them my planet fans. I love my planet fans. I love my planet fans. Oh, that's okay. Oh, I like to do this with a heart. It makes it look cool. I think I messed it up, but it looks cool. Comment down, post in the comments right now. But keep watching this video, but post in the comments right now if you think it looks cool. Woo, whoa, whoa, whoa. Now. I'm going to see if you could stay there. Stay there. No, never mind. Okay. Now it's going to be silent, and I'm just going to play with it. Okay. It's so satisfying. Oh, my sister's YouTube channel will be in the description down below, and my Musical.ly account, so be sure to follow me on Musical.ly and subscribe to this channel. I love slime. It's one of my favorite things in the world. Comment down below if I have more of the kit to make this slime, because it came with a kit. It's called Unicorn Slime. Comment down below if you guys want me to make some more and show and video it this time, okay? And video it. This is so good poking slime, finger poking. Like, listen. Whoops. Like, sometimes it doesn't work. Most of the time. Ah! Most of the time it does. I can also use this. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I know I had more interesting videos, but that's why if you guys subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications, you can see all those exciting videos. So make sure to do that. Make sure to check the description. Bye! I love my planet fans.